So I took up a position of vice CFO. Stepped into that role in April 17, and the trust had just gone through a period of rapid growth. And I think as a result of that, there were quite a few issues. Cash was a problem. It was a big challenge. There were gaps in internal controls, policies, and structures.
Like what? When you say gaps in internal controls? What would you expect to see and what wasn't there?
What I would expect to see walking into, at the time, a multi-academy trust of 8 schools, I would expect to see robust policies and procedures
surrounding
the public finances, the public money that's been spent around purchase orders, petty cash, credit card, audit, just your general internal control system, and it just wasn't there. There were too many gaps, and that led to a significant number of issues when we had an external audit and the management report. And it
it was qualified, or
it was unqualified, but in an academy audit, you get your audit opinion, which is obviously based on whether it's a true or fair picture of the accounts, but also you get a management letter, which is the auditors telling the directors where they've got concerns, and a lot of them were around internal controls. And it was basic things: bank reconciliations not kept up to date, purchase orders not been raised, credit card expenses not been signed off. Just kind of some fundamental basics that should be in place.
And so how did you go about resolving that? I mean, you walk in and you're like, this is terrible. How did you, did you feel like it fell to you, or was it was it your senior? Was it the person you reported to? Were you like, I'll let that person do it, or did you just get stuck in and start resolving issues?
Well, I think joining at the same time as the new CFO, we had a lot of similar qualities, and we worked in a very similar way, and we just took it back to basics. So I worked very closely with the CFO. I'm talking about bank recs, credit cards. These are basic functions. So we just dealt with it. We had the staff in. We had away days. We talked through procedures. We published
like training days.
Training days. We published policies. We provided pro formas.
So you literally wrote the book.
Yeah, wrote the book. And what we've also introduced is our own internal audit function as such. So we have an internal audit which is provided by an external company, but we also do it ourselves in-house as well, just for that extra kind of level of kind of assurance to the board. And over time, we've flushed out those issues on internal control, and we've got a budget of 50 million. We've got 15 schools, thousands of transactions going through a year. Things will not be perfect, but what we've got now is an internal framework of control